Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's actually a wonderful thing seeing you here now today. Before we just go ahead to talk about so many things I want to share with you in lots of the trainings I've done here, alright, so I just want to give you a quick welcome and also give you a breakdown of what we do here in this channel. Alright, first of all, my name is Godson Chimuba, and if you are new to this channel, I would like to say welcome once again. So, in this channel, we talk about tips on how to make money online, ranging from different skills you need to have to make money online, down to some of the things you don't even need a skill to do. Alright, so you'll be seeing some of those tips right here on this channel, and some of the necessary tools you need. Some of them are actually paid, some are not paid. I'll be sharing quite a lot of them with you on this channel. So if you want to actually make a good use of this channel, the best thing I will tell you now is to go ahead and click on that subscribe button right there. Click on the subscribe button right now. All right. When you click on that subscribe button, you don't want to miss out on any of the videos I'll be sharing in subsequent weeks and subsequent days, even the future videos I'll be sharing. You won't want to miss any of them. So what you do is to click on that post notification icon there. All right. There's a bell icon somewhere below there. Just click on it and then allow the notification so that whenever I post any video, you'll be one of the first persons to get those videos. Okay, so what else do you need to do for yourself and also help us scale up this channel? One of the major things you need to do to help us to scale up this channel is to go to the videos. When you go through the videos, please don't just download them and keep them there. It's actually for you, so go ahead and watch them. When you watch those videos, all right, you get to learn things. Share with us what you learn. All right, guys, the comment section is there for you to always share your ideas and share with us any new thing you've learned, things that you feel that you will need to actually talk about. Some of them that I know, I'll share with you. The ones I don't know, I'll get some other persons to also join us in the channel and talk about them in subsequent videos. Hopefully, some of the weeks we'll be having pair or sessions. So you will have to help us to also be able to serve you better. Engage in all the videos, engage in all the posts that I'll be sharing in the community section of this channel. Just make sure that you follow up on every single update we drop here so you don't miss out on any important thing we share. I'd like to see you in the other side. Thank you for watching.